Growing your real estate portfolio is exciting, but managing a multifamily property is a whole different game than a single rental. More tenants, more maintenance, more moving parts. So what does it actually take to scale successfully without things falling apart? As your unit count grows, so does the workload, leasing, maintenance, rent collection, inspections, compliance. Without the right systems in place, what used to feel manageable can quickly turn into missed calls, slower responses, and frustrated tenants. Here's what actually makes scaling work: streamlined leasing that fills vacancies fast, proactive maintenance that protects your property's value, financial reporting that gives you real clarity, and communication systems that keep residents happy. It's not about owning more, it's about running smarter. Here's something a lot of owners underestimate. Tenant satisfaction directly drives your bottom line. Quick maintenance response, clear communication, and fair policies mean more lease renewals, more on-time payments, and less costly turnover. When the day-to-day is handled by a team that knows what they're doing, you get your time back, time to evaluate new opportunities instead of chasing repair calls. That's the real advantage of professional management. It turns growth from a burden into a possibility. At First Rate Property Management, we help Boise property owners manage larger investments through professional leasing, proactive maintenance, and organized financial reporting. If you're ready to scale your multifamily portfolio, our team is ready to help you grow with confidence.